Hi, I'm Joris from OpenVentilator.io. In the last couple of months we've seen many projects appear on the internet designing ventilators or parts for that. And many of them use parts which are just easy to work with, such as industrial valves, ambu bags. And yeah, that makes it easy to make a design with. But what's often forgotten is that those kind of parts are very difficult to get in a less industrialized country. So at the beginning of May, the project released a Sparta model. Very basic ventilator design without any industrial parts, laser cut out of acrylic. It does not use any special medical parts either, and it does not rely on medical air supply. In the past month or so I've also built my own machine here in my workshop, and it's an even more basic design than the Sparta model. I've built it primarily to test parts, and I have it right here, so I'll show you around the machine. So first of all, we have over here a test lung, which was generously offered by Draeger for use. This simulates a patient, and you can see that it's breathing in and out. I've also connected it to a pressure sensor connected to the computer, so you can get some nice graphs of the pressure in the test lung. When the air is exhaled, it will go through the system and will come over here in these tubes. You can see the air bubbling out, so you know it's working as it should be. We can set the pressure on the system by changing the depth of the tubes. And also the water in the tubes, it should be chloride or salty water, so that this already is a first stage of cleaning. Next we have over here a simple controller for the motor speed and an extra delay. It does not have any alarms, so it will definitely not be useful for a real ventilator. Now let me show you the back of the machine. We'll start here with the pump, which consists of a windscreen wiper motor, and here with between these wooden discs a inner tire from a truck, 15 centimeters diameter. Below that we have a battery, a power supply behind it. You can find there on the right side a UVC air cleaner, which is normally used in aquaria. So as we move up, we have here the valves. In this case, these are made from PVC from a do-it-yourself shop. We have 4 one-way valves and one special valve that only opens controlled by a pressure. In the project we also have a valve block made of acrylic, laser cut, and there's a 3D printable one. But basically all of this functions in the same way. Finally we have the air filter over there, which in this case is just a coffee filter with an elastic around it. But we encourage you to find better filters than this, like a car filter, which is also lower resistance, or some HEPA filter. As you can see, the parts are easily obtainable. But does it make it any good? Well, it's been running for like 2.5 weeks now, so definitely some things are okay. But for example, the controller here doesn't have any alarm, so that's definitely something needs to be improved a lot. The Sparta model has some alarms, but the later version of it will have a microcontroller, and that one will have proper alarms. This one has wooden parts in the bellow, which can absolutely not be cleaned properly. So you get all kinds of hygiene problems. The Sparta model uses acrylic, so that one is well cleanable, also in the valve system. So what's next? Well, the Sparta model really needs to be built and tested. And if you're a maker, a builder, you can help us with that. If you are medically educated or you have access to a test facility, it would be fantastic if you can help us in that way. Have a look on the website openventilator.io, and I hope to see you around.